Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to share this useful information that WWE 2K25 is available for download. Game is going to release on March 14th, but if you have pre-order, right, Bloodline editions, so you can download it now because you can get 70 early access. So I'm just going to show how to download it. So if you have already enabled auto download, it will be downloaded. So you need to go to library first, go to library and go to your collections. So whatever we have purchased so far, right, that will be displaying here. If you want to download PSP version or PS4 version, you can download it. Right now I'm using PS5 console, so I'm just tapping it and then I can see this download option. So you need to select your right version actually here, okay, and then tap download. We will see the size, okay. We will this so I don't have space. I need to free up space. Actually, it's a 115 GB. We need it. So I need to delete some existing games here. So these games, I'm going to delete it. Okay, Dirt 5. Or you can move the games as well. Need to delete something here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this 2K24 and then Dirt 5. Delete it. So that's it, friends. Now I have cleared, okay, and I have created some storage. So it's downloading. So totally now 5.79 GB. Okay, 5 minutes it's left. But the total size was 115 GB. Here under downloads, you can see that. Yes, actually 110.479 GB. Yes. So that's it, friends. Let it download, but we can play only on March 7th. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.